Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the hardware and iOS version so the connection can work. First, make sure your crucial SSD is in a USB-compatible enclosure or adapter. This converts NVMe or SATA to USB. Once done, verify your iPhone runs iOS 13 or newer because Files app and external drive support began there. Connect the Apple Lightning to USB or USB-C adapter to your phone, and if the SSD requires more power. Now you'll connect and mount the drive so you can access files. Plug the crucial SSD into the USB adapter, then attach the adapter to your iPhone. If the SSD is bus-powered and unstable, make sure the powered hub is between them. Open the Files app and tap Browse. The external drive should appear under Locations with its label. If it doesn't show immediately, make sure the cable and power are solid. Then unlock the phone and gently wake the screen to prompt mounting. You'll finish by moving files and resolving common issues so the SSD works reliably. Use files to copy or move items. Tap, hold, and choose Move to place data on the external drive while preserving folders. For full write access, format the SSD on a computer to exFAT or apps if your workflow requires Apple compatibility. iPhone reads many formats but may restrict writes. If the drive fails to appear, check power and adapter compatibility first. Once checked, try a different cable or reformat the drive on a PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.